Sobrang sarap. Summer is the best. Ayoko magpaka-OA pero sobrang sarap ng pakwan. Nakakaiyak. New favorite. My son is sleeping now and I am craving a midnight snack. A healthy one. Hindi ko na siya matatawag na huache because I don't really know what this is anymore. But I have a 1/3 left over. We're gonna use this as our bowl. We scoop out the laman. Arte mo, Ben. Juicy. Brain freeze. Not so much. Baka maihi ako buong gabi. Puro tubig kasi itong watermelon. So kapag kinain mo siya ng gabi, magsi-CR ka ng magsi-CR. This much. And then blueberries. All of it. Antioxidants. I'm gonna work with whatever I have. Natalie Carcar. Jelly Ace. Ayaw lumabas. Ew, dugyot. Pagkain ko naman to eh. Okay. With my current strict diet, super busy schedule, wala akong enough nutrition for my body to boost collagen. So we have naked collagen powder, unflavored, bilis ma-dissolve. If we're not getting collagen from our foods, get it from our supplement. Pwede sa juice, pwede sa kape, pwede sa shake, pwede sa milk, lahat pwede. Go to my profile sa showcase, it's there. Taste this. Kulang ng ice. Atenciones, Ultimate Beauty Midnight Snack. Uy, G22, may bagong pasabog, March 7. Mas maganda pala lang sa lamin. Refreshing, guilt-free, skin booster, collagen booster. And that's it. See you guys again on my next Gray Pants.